Hola, señora Vaz, with the instructions for today. Today, the first thing you do is the actividad inicial. You're going to this photo, and it's asking you to type in the comments a statement about what you like to do and what you are like. So, for example, you say something that you like to do, me gusta, and whatever you like to do, and then you're going to say what you are like. Soy, and then you use an adjective. I gave you an example right here.
Me gusta pasar tiempo con amigos. Soy sociable.
So there's your example. And then you are going to complete these practices. So we start with actividad 1B-3. We're still practicing our chapter 1B. So for actividad 1B-3, you fill your information, and then it says, look and follow the example. So Tito says, Ana, ¿eres perezosa? So Tito is asking Ana a question. Are you lazy? And Ana says, no, I am not lazy. So the following sentences, you have Tito asking Jorge. So it's Jorge, eres talentoso, and Jorge is answering in an affirmative way. So if he's answering in an affirmative way, he's going to say, sí, soy talentoso. And here's Tito asking Ana. Ana is answering in an affirmative way. So basically, when you answer in an affirmative way, you're just going to say, yes, I am. Sí, soy, and then whatever adjective they're using in the question. Now remember that if it's a girl, it has to be in feminine. And then if you're going to answer in a negative way, like in this case, remember that when you answer questions in negative way, you use no twice. No, comma, I am not, no soy. And then the adjective that they are using right here. So that is what you do for 1B-3. Now, let's go to the next one. Is 1B-4 and 1B-5. They're both in the same form. So you're going to do the same, fill the information. And in this one, I'm giving you here something that the person likes to do. For example, a Roberto le gusta esquiar. He likes to ski. And then we have to say something about Roberto. Roberto es atrevido. So you need to find the adjective that is the most appropriate according to the statement. So if somebody likes to play the guitar, what would it be? If somebody likes to talk on the phone, practice sports, study, and so on. Don't forget to keep in mind what is the gender of the subject, if it's masculine or feminine, if it's a boy or a girl. So you type your answer in the way that you see here. You use the name of the person, and then es, and then the adjective. So that's what you're gonna do. So once you finish that, you need help with the names to see if it's a boy or girl. You can ask me. But that's what you have to do. Let me see. Oh, one thing that I remember. Do not repeat adjectives. You are not allowed to repeat adjectives. So you have to use one for each and the most appropriate. Let's go to the next page. In the next page, you're going to follow the model. Now, the other one was about somebody else, but this one is about me. So I say, a mí me gusta leer. I like to read. Yo soy inteligente. I am smart or intelligent. So in this one, you're going to put a mí me gusta and use the picture to know what you're going to complete with. So a mí me gusta practicar deportes. And then yo soy deportista. So practicar deportes, deportista. And that's what you have to do. Just put here what you need. Soy deportista. Soy artística. Soy estudioso, etc., etc. So you have to complete like that. And then you submit. That's it. You also have to watch this gramactiva video that has a new part is about definite and indefinite articles, and copy these notes about definite and indefinite articles. They need to be in your notebook. Okay, that's it. If you need help with your activities, please let me know. I will help you. Nos vemos. Hasta pronto.